Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the most incredible and innovative tech that's changing the game. If you're passionate about tools, gadgets, and powerful everyday problem solvers, then today's lineup will absolutely blow your mind. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, FNIRSI LCRP1. This multifunctional transistor tester is a dream tool for electronic engineers, technicians, and tech enthusiasts alike. It's designed to test and analyze the characteristics of semiconductors like diodes, transistors, and MOSFETs with high precision. The colorful digital display gives you instant data visualization, while its intelligent recognition system automatically identifies component types and pin configurations. It even comes with an advanced anti-burning design that protects circuits by safely discharging uncharged capacitors. And if that's not enough, it supports data export directly to your computer for deeper analysis. Plus, with replaceable test boards and a special Zener diode measurement channel, the FNIRSI LCRP1 makes complex testing easier, faster, and safer. Number 4. Soundcore Sport X20. These true wireless workout earbuds by Anker are built for unstoppable performance. With ergonomic ear hooks and an IPX-rated waterproof build, they stay secure no matter how intense your workout gets. Featuring powerful 11mm dynamic drivers and active noise cancellation, the sound experience is rich, detailed, and immersive. You get up to 12 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, and with the charging case, that extends to a massive 48 hours. The Soundcore app adds even more control, letting you fine-tune your audio and manage connections easily. Whether you're on a run, at the gym, or on a call, the Sport X20 keeps you powered and focused. Number 3. Baseus Power Bank. Power up anywhere, anytime with this ultra-slim 100-watt Baseus Power Bank. It's lightweight at just over a pound, yet packed with a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, capable of charging laptops, smartphones, and tablets all at once. With 4 smart ports, including dual USB-A and USB-C, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously without slowing down. The clear digital display shows real-time charging status, and the PD fast charging feature ensures your MacBook or phone gets powered quickly and efficiently. Crafted for travelers, professionals, and tech lovers, this Baseus power bank is the definition of portable power and reliability. Number 2. Universal Oil Wrench. This adjustable 2-jaw oil filter wrench is an essential companion for car maintenance. Built from durable cast steel, it provides a strong, firm grip with its serrated design, ensuring filters are removed cleanly without damage. The adjustable spring mechanism allows it to fit a range of 60 to 80 millimeter filters with ease. Compatible with both half-inch ratchet wrenches and 22mm open-end wrenches, this tool combines versatility with precision. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this oil filter wrench simplifies engine work with a sturdy, easy-to-control feel. Number 1. Enhanced OBD Scanner. Finally, a tool that every car owner should have. The Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner helps you instantly read and clear engine fault codes for vehicles built in 1996 or later. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for diagnosing car issues without a trip to the mechanic. Just plug it into your OBD port, and within seconds, you'll have real-time insights into your car's health. Whether you're troubleshooting a check engine light or performing routine maintenance, this device saves time, money, and frustration. Every driver deserves the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly what's going on under the hood. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.